Good day, everyone. Learn how to disable background apps in Windows 11. So here, click on the Start icon and then go to Settings. Once you are here at the left-hand side, just below Personalization and above Accounts, you will find Apps. And then we need to go to this Install Apps. Once you are here, there is a catch. Not all apps can be disabled in the background. So whatever, once you click on these three dots, and then if you find the advanced option, that means once you click on that, you can let this app run in background. You can let the power optimized or you can do it later. Right. You can do that. However, there are some apps for which you will not be able to do it. So I'll click on any other app. Let's say this is the Microsoft Edge. So you are not able to. So wherever you've seen this advanced option, you can simply click on that and either select the power optimized or select never. All right. So it is up to you what exactly you want to set. I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial. Please hit like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.